So I wanted to show you guys today, if you're ever worried about overspraying anything with the last coat, I just ceramic coated this Shelby GT350 and the coating still is not cured, so when it comes to cleaning the windows, you either should clean them before doing the coating or, like I did not this time, got to be careful now when cleaning the windows. We don't want anything coming down on the coating because that could affect the ceramic. So I'm going to use the last coat, which at the end of the day wouldn't affect this, but still take caution when you're doing anything. But I wanted to show you guys an easy way to do this. I have a foam applicator pad here. Most of them come cut. This one did not, so I cut this one. And I like to put them right onto here. And the reason that they're cut like this is so that the microfiber or the suede pad here doesn't just come off when you're wiping it, basically. So I like to use a plastic razor blade, which if you guys are doing any type of decal removal, these are great. Don't use a actual razor blade unless you really know what you're doing. So then you just stick this thing in here. You can actually get it down in there. So it'll look just like that. And simply, if you have a bigger bottle, you can just simply spray it right onto here too. It's really no different. So you're just gonna pump it right onto the actual applicator, get it nice and saturated. Once you get it saturated like this, you probably don't have to respray it for a few different times until it gets pretty dry. So you'll be able to do a few different applications here. So once you got it on there, just simply hashtag the panel or the window that you're doing. This will ensure proper coverage as well as level the coating technology that is in this product. You can do one pass of hashtagging or you can do two. It's all up to you. And also I just wanted to show you all, you can actually see the coating technology that is in here. That is it flashing, and it has bonded now to the surface. So now that you got it on there like that, you're just going to simply wipe it right back off. And it's as simple as that. You don't have to worry about any type of overspray or anything getting down on whatever surface you didn't want to get it on. So again, foam applicator pads for applying ceramic, and then a suede applicator wrapped around here into the slits that you cut with a razor blade. So thanks for all watching. Have a great day.